Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Erkin from HDD. I got some good news. I got my wrist finally cast free today, and it's a bit stiff still. It's tough to move it, so I'm not gonna do too much heavy lifting with it. But I got a couple of packages that arrived here in the mail, and I'm probably gonna start off with this UPS pack and see what it has inside. It's either a flash drive or a memory card of some sort that came here from Maryland State. Set the camera down and fire up the microscope. What do we got inside? It's a compact flash card. It doesn't look like there are any problems there. I don't see anything abnormal happening here. All looks good. So let's remove the memory and pull the data directly from it.
Ryan Little.
This was a SanDisk 4 GB compact flash data recovery, which I believe is very successful. About 2,700 images are marked as good. There was about 3,000 showing originally, a couple of hundred are corrupt. If you lost something important on a memory card or a flash drive or a hard drive or pretty much any other digital media storage device, check the description. Our link is in there, how you can get in touch with us. So hopefully we can help you out. But overall, this process was pretty straightforward. 4 gig, 16-bit bus, the chip extracted, mix assembled, and there you go, the data extracted. So I'm gonna go back to watching some of the Drive Savers lab tours. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much for tuning in. Hit thumbs up as usual if you liked it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow around the same time.